If your iPhone camera is not working, showing a black screen, freezing, or crashing when you open it, here are some quick fixes that can solve the problem. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to Privacy and Security. Then tap on Camera. Now, check if camera access is enabled for the apps you're trying to use. For example, if the camera's not working in Snapchat, Instagram, or WhatsApp, make sure the camera permission is turned on. Next, go back to the main settings page and tap on Screen Time. Then open Content and Privacy Restrictions and tap Allowed Apps and Features. Make sure the camera option is enabled here. If it's turned off, your iPhone camera won't work at all. After that, go back and tap on General. Then scroll all the way down and tap Shut Down. Turn your iPhone off completely, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Restarting the device often fixes temporary camera glitches and black screen issues. You should also check for a software update. Go to General/Software Update and install the latest iOS update if one is available. New updates can fix camera bugs and improve iPhone performance. If the camera is still not working, try switching between the front and back camera inside the camera app. Sometimes only one lens is affected. And finally, if none of these fixes work, there may be a hardware problem with the camera itself. In that case, you may need to visit Apple support or an Apple store for a diagnostic check. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone troubleshooting tutorials.